Today we're going to try the ready-to-cook chicken of Jollibee. How it looks like. Oops! Gonna need to... Ano yun? Joke ba yan? Okay, so we'll start with transferring this chicken marinade to a bowl. Ayan. And then we're going to put flour in another bowl. Siguro mga 1.5 cup. And then about one-half cup, oops, of potato starch. So, itong potato starch, normally, sa Japan daw, ito yung ginagamit pag nagpa-fry. Pero, kung mahirap maghanap, sa mga Korean grocery stores meron ito eh. Pero kung mahirap maghanap or masyadong pricey, cornstarch will do. Okay din yun. Lalo sa panahon ngayon, mahirap masyadong maraming hinahanap. So, yung pwedeng i-substitute yun, i-substitute. Then some pepper. And salt. So, yun lang. And then, I'll mix well. Yeah. What we're gonna do next is, we're going to heat the oil. So, I have here a lot of oil. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng rack sa ilalim para hindi masunog masyado yung chicken. So, papainit natin to. About 350 Fahrenheit, supposedly. Okay, habang hinihintay natin uminit yung mantika, I'm going to start breading the chicken. So, yan. Pagpag natin ante. Clumps are okay, kasi yun yung crispy part eh, ng chicken. But, again, yung mga malalaglag sa pinagpag mo wouldn't really stick to the chicken anymore. Magiging part lang siya nung mga nasusunog na flour sa ilalim ng mantika. So there, that's one. And then we're gonna try one more. Yeah. Okay, we need to check the oil again. Mukhang ready na siya. So there. If it browns in less than a minute, ibig sabihin, okay na yan. Kung may thermometer kayo, mas maganda. Kasi actually, kailangan talaga ng thermometer. Pero wala rin akong thermometer. So, chicken breaded with flour, potato starch, salt, and pepper. Okay? Ito na. Isisip. Okay. And then, one more. So, I'm cooking 2 at a time lang. Kasi hindi siya dapat maging crowded. Otherwise, hindi siya lulutong. For breast, normally, chicken breast, normally 8 to 10 minutes bago siya maluto kung deep fried. Kung hindi naman siya deep fried, you cook one side for 8 to 10 minutes and then flip, cook the other side for 8 to 10 minutes ulit. So, yan. We're just gonna wait for it na maluto. Okay. That's my alarm saying it's already 8 minutes. There you go. Fine. So, we'll use this. Wait lang. One hand. Sana nakuha ko siya, diba? Okay. How it looks like. There you go. Breast number 1. Chicken joy number 1. Chicken Joy number 2. And then, next batch. One more. Okay, so here's my failed gravy. Yan. Kitang-kita ko na agad ang failure niya. But, again, wala, I don't wanna stress out on this. This is fine. There's Mang Tomas. Ganun talaga. So, I'll just let it cool. Strain pa some more. I'll try to serve this, but if he doesn't like it, then he's gonna have to eat the Chicken Joy with Mang Tomas. Okay, game. Babe, eating version. Babe, sabihin mo talaga yung totoo ha. Kasi, syempre, ako feeling ko kasi hindi talaga siya maglalasang Chicken Joy. So, sana, ano yun? Joke ba yan? Feeling ko, hindi siya talaga makukuha ang eksaktong-eksakto.
Nasi chicken.
Hindi, you have to tell them, babe. Ano? Lasa talaga yung Chicken Joy?
Siguro ano?
Grabe. Yung gravy ko, feeling ko mali. Ako,
Ang gravy o malab mo.
malab na yung gravy, di ba? Kasi nakita ko na siya agad nung niluto ko.
Yung ako nagawa niya.
So, yun. Kung siya yung nagawa, magaling siya gawa ng gravy. Ako, I would still want Jollibee to cook my Chicken Joy. To cook. So, let's try. Alam nyo, pwede naman talaga siya. Pero iba talaga si Jollibee. Of course! Siyempre, meron something pa na hindi pa natin nagawa. So, yun. That's my take. Siya, masaya na siya. Masaya na mo dyan. Pero, masaya na dyan. Masaya na siya doon. Ako, it's still good. But, it's not as good as yung binibili natin si Jollibee. With that said, kakain na po kami. Kain na po tayo. Nice daw. Actually, nice naman talaga. Parang siyempre, ano naman. For example, pag di ka makapunta sa Jollibee, kung may ganitong choice, bili ka. Kasi yun, gusto mo paano ito. Okay din. May lasang ating Jollibee, but hindi sa buong, diba? Yun lang. Okay na tayo?